is above the mark of 22,200 as far as Nifty is concerned. So a decent amount of, seen almost 100 points on the Nifty, which we've managed to gain. In terms of stock-specific action, it is just style. You also have CAMS, which is actually moved higher. ICICI Lombard is reacting to earnings, and other names, Alok Industries, Geo Financial Services, continue to do in the trading session as well. But time now to get the Chartbuster ideas from our chartist. Let's take it across to Nooresh Merani. Nooresh, what's the Chartbuster idea?
So that's a chart for Saregama. If you look at the last 2 years, after that massive run in 2020-21, the stock corrected from 550 all the way down to 300, 320. Multiple bottoms made around the area over the last 1 year. And now the base shifted higher, made a bottom 340. For the last 1 year, the stock has been range bound. 430, 440 remains resistance. Yesterday, the stock saw very large volumes, the highest in the last 2 months, setting up for a breakout above 430, 440. So looks like a breakout going forward. Stop loss at 385, target price of 480, and then 50.
That's coming in as far as the chart Saregama is concerned. But Kunal, what are you looking at in terms of charts? What looks interesting right now?
So good morning. It's the chart for Usha Martin, a stock which we discussed in the morning, and the stock is nearing towards a classic breakout. So interestingly, on the short-term time frame charts, we're seeing the stock coming out of a corrective phase from 390. The stock had fallen down to almost 260 levels, which means more than a 30% correction for the stock has gotten completed in the last 2 months. This is a very strong indicator of a result of an uptrend. What we've seen is that the stock rallying up from 270 levels to 340 and then going through a phase of a pause. This, in classical terms, is what we call a bullish flag pattern. The stock heading towards a breakout of this 340 or 45 mark, and once that happens, I would believe that the stock should be able to scale past the previous highs and maybe even cross about those levels in a very short span of time. So even from a short-term trading play, traders could look at a buy closer to this 345 mark, which is the breakout point, for a target potential which is 370 plus for Usha Martin.
Okay, let's get those stock picks going as well then. And Nooresh, let's find out what you're tracking.
So first is a buy in Reliance Industries, a premium buy here, knocking at that 2970, 3000 resistance. Was at 2920, target price of 3200. Second is a buy in ICICI Lombard. Stock has given a flag breakout today. Stop loss at 1660, target price of 1850.
All right, and Kunal, let's get in your top trades. What are you tracking today?
So I'll go to the first one, buy on City Union Bank. The stock towards a recovery as well as a breakout. Targets of 170, stop at 145. And the second would be a buy on Hindustan Copper. The stock is also heading back towards a second round of breakout of move after a decent bout of consolidation. So targets of 400, stop us at 346.
Okay, so the top recommendations coming in from our technical experts. We're also.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.